Nobody stocks more parts for Trajan bandsaws than Sawblade.com. We pride ourselves on that. We probably have every single part in stock for the Trajan bandsaw line, ranging from the 125 all the way up to the high production machine. So if you have a question on that Trajan, you can call our customer service line. We also have videos on how to install parts on all the machines. Not only do we have the largest parts inventory for Trajan bandsaws, we also have a full line of bandsaw blades that are custom welded specific for that machine and that application, whether it be Inconel, Hastelloy, or structural. We have a bandsaw blade and the part. If you buy $500 to $2,000 in blades, you get an escalating discount of 5% to 20% on our parts prices. That's a big savings that impacts a company's bottom line.